Right, so I've popped out to do a little bit of flying locally again. Gentle northerly breeze. I've put a streamer out today. I've just measured the wind strength. It seems to be varying between 6 and 8 miles an hour. And I've got my bungee mini high start. So I'm going to start off with the fling. So this can be part 1. And then I've got my chief, so we'll make that part 2. And then there's something different still in the case. So the clue is a V-tail, a 1970s model. So something I just refurbished recently. I've been waiting for the opportunity to fly, and that can be high started as well. Okay, so I'm going to get on with a bit of flying. So as I take the glider to where the end of the high start is, just explain something. The last time I did a high start with this glider, so you can see the wing is now purple, I did catch the tailplane, the horizontal stabilizer, with the back of my hand as I launched last time. Had too much tension, and of course that resulted in damage to the wing. So what I've done for today is I've used a spring scale just to get the right amount of tension for this glider, because it's only just over 200 grams, and as a result, so that's a nice gentle launch. And to be honest, I wouldn't say it's lost out on any height on the launch, so I just need to sort of be a bit more careful with my launches. So there really was no lift because the wind was directly coming from where that hill opposite is, so it seemed to be affecting the lift today. And I was having another issue as well, so that will just come up in a moment. Having an issue with the receiver. There it goes, you see. So suddenly I had full up elevator on that occasion, so I was able to save it, get it down safely. I'll explain the reason for that actually in the description. So there you go, it's landed. So I ended it there with the fling because I didn't want to risk damaging it because of a technical issue.